Hi everyone, my name is Jessica if you haven't already met me, and today we're doing a little purse review. I picked up the JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito bag, I want to say 2 weeks ago now. I bought it from Sense here in Canada. I'm based in Vancouver, and if I remember correctly, Sense is based in Montreal. So I did a little bit of price matching online. When it comes to location, if it's based in Canada, you've got yourself an automatic win because you don't have to worry about paying duties. DHL will rack up your bill. DHL will reach into your wallet, take your credit card, and swipe it itself for you and say, thank you for 50% of the purchase price, ma'am. And I wasn't here for it. So when I saw that they were selling the JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito bag on Sense, it was a no-brainer. Plus, you know, we're out here stimulating the Canadian economy, doing our part. So I'm gonna be unboxing the bag, describing the bag, showing you the bag, and then we're gonna do a fun little what I can fit in it, because I did get the small one. And if you're thinking about getting this bag for yourself, I think it's very important that you watch till the end to see what you can actually fit inside the bag. And then if you already have the bag, let's have a good laugh at how this bag, what it can fit essentially, or what it can't fit rather. So it came in a simple white tissue, and when I unwrapped it, all that you're gonna find inside, there's no box, a simple linen dust bag. You have the JACQUEMUS brand name at the bottom. And if you follow me on Instagram, shameless plug, go follow me, I post cute stuff. You would have seen the unboxing already, but we're gonna do it again right here, right now. Little drawstring top, and dun 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 dun. This is the JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito live in person, and I do have the strap, but it would have fallen out when I did the unboxings. And then you also have the matching strap if you decide that you want a crossbody moment. So here is a 360 of the bag. This is the front, the side, and the back. And you know, the bottom, just for fun. And then if you want to wear the crossbody, you can easily clip the gold onto the side just like that on both sides. And it does swivel, so you don't have to worry about putting it on the right way. You can just flip it and you're good. And then I will say that the strap is also adjustable, so there are a couple notches so you can tighten it a little bit. Part of me wonders if I could tighten this enough to wear it as a belt, because that could be a really cute moment with my blazer. We'll explore that later. First, let's talk about why I bought this bag, because I think that's a top question that people have when you see such a teeny tiny bag. Why would you buy something like this? And I do believe that when you are investing in bags, to go functional first, and then you can start to have fun. And I fully believe I've done my part. I've filled my functional side, and now this was definitely more of a fun purchase. It's small, it's colorful, it's of the moment. It's basically everything I would have told myself not to buy 5 years ago while I was still building my bag collection, but I'm really happy with where it is now. So this was more of a small splurge that I just wanted to have fun with. Like, I know it doesn't fit much. I purely 100% bought it for the aesthetic because it's cute and it's fun, and I wanted to. Plus, I had just passed a pretty big milestone in my small business. We launched a brand new product, which was our first time expanding into something other than the 3 products that we launched with, and that was a really big moment. And I wanted to reward myself for all the hard work that I had done, so I decided that I was gonna have a little fun. Now, I do want to talk about the bag a little bit and the leather that it's made with. So up until this point, when I have purchased bags in the past, I stay really far away from lambskin because it scratches so easily, and I really like to wear my bags. Like, I wear my bags. They don't sit on a shelf. They're not like trophies for me. They are part of my lifestyle, and I usually will opt for a bag that can stand up against the wear of day-to-day life. This leather is definitely a little bit more susceptible to things like scratches. I want to show you what this bag looks like after 2 weeks of wear. So at the front, I don't think it's too bad, but here there's like a pretty big scratch here already. Maybe not really a scratch, but definitely a mark and then on the back there's a couple smaller ones you might not be able to see, but personally it doesn't bother me because I knew this was gonna happen when I bought it and it didn't really bother me too much. But definitely something to call out if you're a bag shopper like me and you're looking for something that is going to be a little bit more durable. Here we go, here's the face. It's definitely not going to be as sensitive as your average lambskin, but it definitely remembers who touched it, we'll say that. But all in all, the bag is really cute, and I think from what I remember on their website, it did say that the leather tends to age, like it will show wear and it will age, which is totally fine by me. Like, I love a bag that looks like it's lived a life. As for the cost of the bag, I bought it on Sense, I want to say for, I think, ballpark $560, give or take $30. It was under $600, I know for sure. And I also downloaded the app Honey, not a plug, but I do really love this Chrome app, and I'll link it down below if you want to download it as well. But I actually was able to run Honey on the Sense website as I was checking out, and it uncovered a 15% off discount code for me that I was able to use on the website. So I ended up getting 15% off the bag as well. And I will say that I was almost gonna buy it off of a US retailer. Between buying it in US and having duties included in the checkout price versus buying it from Sense with that discount code was a $200 Canadian difference. So now that I've showed you the bag and sort of how it looks and everything like that, I'm gonna do a little try on for you just to show you what it looks like on. And if we wear it as a little crossbody moment, this is what it looks like. I really love how dramatic the handle is. I will say, if we're talking about usability, it's a little bit awkward. You can't really open it like this. You have to hold it away from your body and then open it up like that to get into it. It definitely takes two hands to open. I don't think I could easily get into it with one hand. Like, it's a little bit annoying. So I think two hands, one to hold the bag and one to actually open it, is the way to go. I know some people have had issues with the giant handle in the past, but I definitely see where they're coming from. And if you get a bigger bag, you're gonna get a bigger handle, and that is like, I wanna see if we can tighten it to be a belt. No, you can't. Unless, I wonder if we do it at the loosest and then we loop. Okay, it doesn't quite fit as a belt, unfortunately. Oh, I feel like if it was just a little bit longer, it would have been perfect. And then if you want to take the straps off, you can also wear it by itself. My wrist does fit in, although I probably wouldn't wear it like this. Okay, so we've talked about the bag, we've done a wear test, we've discovered that unfortunately it doesn't work as a belt, which is too bad. And I think we can move on to what I can actually fit in the Le Chiquito bag. Let's see, I have a couple things in front of me here that I normally put in my purse. Let's start off with my keys. So I actually had to pare this down. I had a cute little keychain with like my work fob and some other keys on it, and I ended up having to really pare it down to just my fob and my two keys, because that's the only way these keys could fit in my bag. So I now have the most boring set of keys on the planet, but it's JACQUEMUS compatible. So when I open up the bag, this drops in, no problem. And there's so much space in here that we could even fit in a scrunchie. And that's probably about all I could fit in that. And here we go. Now, let's put together another scenario. So I'm waking up, or maybe it's like the middle of the day, I'm about to take the dog out. Can we fit, who recognizes this? For all the dog moms or dog dads or dog parents out there, we have some poo bags. Will the poo bags fit? Okay, so the poo bags do fit. We could actually probably also fit our keys in there since we're taking the dog out. And does it close? It does not close, ladies and gentlemen. So I think we're gonna have to take the keys out and put the poo bag sideways and then try and put the keys in on top. Now will it close? It won't close. I really had to adjust. There we go. So we've successfully fit in my keys and a roll of poo bags. A success for dog parents everywhere. And for reference, that is what it looks like inside. So I really had to like wiggle the fob down beside the roll of poo bags in order for it to actually close, but we made it work. Now, say you're going out to run some errands and you want to bring your headphones with you. Will it fit an AirPods case with a silicone wrap on it? Yes, that fits in there. Now, say you're more in 2021, you have yourself the AirPods Pro. Are these gonna fit in the bag? And good news, yes they will. So there's a little bit of room, so we could probably also fit our keys in there. And there you have it. So AirPods and 2 keys and a fob will fit. And the last thing I have is my wallet. I have a Chanel card holder, and when I was first doing the dimensions, I swear they were bigger than my card holder. But when I got the purse, I discovered that this wallet does not fit in lengthwise at all, nor does it fit in height-wise. So if you have a card holder, I am so sorry to say, this is gonna be your reality. But let's see if we take a couple cards out. Let's just take like this gift card. Will this card fit in by itself? And the answer is yes. And actually this was really great news. So a card will fit in your bag. And this bag actually fully encompasses Hot Girl Summer. Like, all you need is a little lip gloss and your credit card and your fob with 2 keys to get back into your building at the end of the night. Let's talk about lip gloss for a second though, because right here I have a pretty big lip gloss. It's the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And then I also have a lipstick. So this is a Giorgio Armani lipstick. So there's definitely some differences in height and size here, and let's see if either of these will fit in the bag. First is the lip gloss, and the lip gloss does not fit lengthwise. It's like I'd really have to force it in there, and I'm not gonna do that. And it does not fit height-wise. Does the lipstick fit? The lipstick doesn't fit either. This is a tragedy. So you're gonna have to go get yourself a tiny little sample lip gloss to carry around in your tiny little JACQUEMUS bag. Can I fit this brow product? Okay, I could fit this mini size of Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel lengthwise. So at least we're gonna have good brows. We're not gonna have glossy lips, which doesn't matter because we'll be wearing a mask anyway, but we'll have good brows. So look at how itty bitty this little bag is. That is something that I did not include, but like this snap, so satisfying, so strong. Like, it's a very strong snap, which is where I think the reinforcement from the handle comes in. If you ever need to just like smack a man for getting too close to you, 6 feet away, sir, please. Please. It's a good kind of purse for that. I think that's all there is to say about the JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito. If you have any more questions, do leave them in the comments down below. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. And I will do my best to answer them. You know, if you need to know if you could fit batteries in this thing or some cotton balls, you know, I'll do the testing for you and I'll get back to you and let you know. And if you want to see more of this bag, go follow me on Instagram. It is my bag of the summer, so I'm going to be having a lot of fun posting outfits with it and just being like generally adorably ridiculous with this tiny little bag. My girlfriend Boyu also got the medium, so we are going to be taking side-by-side photos of those as well, which I can't wait for. With that, I will end the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and I will see you in whatever video I decide to make next. Bye!